In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Smartsheet support. When using any application, it's inevitable that questions or technical challenges will arise. Knowing how to reach out for assistance can make all the difference in resolving issues swiftly and seamlessly. So, let's dive into the steps you need to take to contact Smartsheet support when you need it. Firstly, if you're already signed into your Smartsheet account, you're just a few clicks away from accessing the support you need. Once you're inside the Smartsheet platform, start by looking for the Help link. This is typically found within the user interface, often towards the top or in a menu on the side, depending on the layout. Clicking on this Help link is your gateway to getting support. Doing so directs you to the support request form. This is a crucial step as it provides you with a direct line to the Smartsheet support team, allowing you to outline the specific issues or queries you have. Once you're on the support request form page, take a moment to assess the options available. This form is thoughtfully designed to guide you through detailing your problem efficiently, ensuring that the support team receives all the necessary information to assist you promptly. Although it might be tempting to just fill out the basics, providing a comprehensive description of your issue will expedite the support process. In your description, try to include as many details as possible. Explain the problem clearly, providing context such as what you were doing before the issue occurred, any error messages displayed, or steps you've already tried to resolve it. This information is invaluable and helps the support team get a clearer picture of what's going on from your perspective. After you've documented your problem thoroughly, proceed to submit the form. This action sends your request directly to the Smartsheet support team. It's worth noting that response times may vary depending on the complexity of your issue or the support package associated with your account. If you have a premium plan, response times might be quicker, but rest assured that all requests are handled with attention and care. Finally, after submission, keep an eye on your email inbox. The support team will likely reach out to you here, providing assistance or requesting further information. It can be helpful to monitor emails regularly to ensure you catch their response swiftly, thus maintaining momentum in resolving the issue. And there you have it. This simple but essential process not only empowers you with the right channels to seek help, but also ensures that your concerns are addressed efficiently. Whether you are facing technical hiccups or just have questions, reaching out to Smartsheet support is straightforward and designed with your ease in mind.